then we're making this one.
This one?
A happy face.
Yeah, it's a happy face.
Yes.
It's a happy face.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys! Welcome back sa akong channel and karong adlaw I have my special guest, Calla. Say hi, Calla.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so naasad may bagong i-unbox na candy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat candies?
Yes.
Yes.
Make.
You wanna what?
Make.
Mate? Okay,
Yeah.
let's open the box so we can start eating the candies.
Yep. Make. Okay. See how it is the gummy? This. Is the
Okay,
makeup.
so look at this. It's a smiley face.
Yep.
Hey.
And this one. It's a
What is this one?
It's cookies.
It's cookies?
Yep.
How about this one?
Turning.
Turning? Turning?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it.
Yeah.
Yeah!
It's happy to do
Okay,
it.
let's open. Let's
Make.
get the box.
Okay.
Here is the snacks we have.
This side is to make.
Okay.
Okay, make. Well, to the
Here, this is
side
a lot of candies. Okay, wala nang sulod ang box. Ang gihawanan. So this
Okay.
is all the candies.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Which one should we eat first? Which one?
Make first.
Okay, so which one? Oh, is it that one? Okay, let's open this one. Let's open this one.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, here. It's open. It's open. It's open. We're gonna taste. Wow! Wow! You wanna eat it? Here, taste.
Mmm.
What does it taste? Is it good? You like it? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah.
Gummy.
So this is Princesa milkshake, strawberry milkshake flavor. No, ang gitilawan ni Calla. That's right now.
Banana.
Okay, you wanna eat more?
No.
No? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on.
Apples.
This one is
Apple.
this is gummy,
Yep.
but this is sour. You like sour?
Sour apple.
You like sour apple? You wanna open this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this one.
Okay.
So this is Maynard's Sour Patch Candies. Sour candy na siya, sour cherry. So let's open this, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
So
let's open.
he's excited.
OMG!
Yeah.
Okay, kuha isa.
Ta-da.
Tada! Okay, try. How does it taste? Is it good? Is it good? Yep. It's sour.
Yeah.
You like that one? Thumbs up? Just thumbs up? Show it to the camera. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up.
Okay.
Okay, which one? Next. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is Zozole Happy Zello. Okay, Zozole Happy Zello. And you wanna open this one?
It's candy.
It's candy. Okay. Are you excited to open this one?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, let's open this one. Okay. What color is this?
Yo.
What?
Yeah.
Yellow. How about this one? What color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Here. Put on the pink. How about this one? What color?
Yo.
No, that's white.
It's white.
How about this one? What color?
Yo.
Yellow? Okay, here, eat. Mmm.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many? 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6?
7.
This one, 8.
8.
Are you gonna eat all of 8?
No.
Nom 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 nom. Is it delicious? Yummy? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up? Show the camera, thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up.
Mine's coming.
So medyo tamis-tamis siya. Mura siya og marshmallow.
Okay, I put it back.
Put it back? Okay, put it back. Put it back. Eat it.
Oh,
Hey, which one's next?
this one.
This one? Wanna eat this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we already done that.
What's
What's this one? What is this? What animal? It's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Can you say it again?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Murag Peppa Pig lagi.
Already. Kangaroo.
Oh, maka-read si Kaya. It says kangaroo, right?
Yep.
Okay. You wanna open this one?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, let's open this one.
Kangaroo.
So this is a Kangaroo Crunch nga actually Munchpak exclusive ni siya nga candy, no? Nga atong abrihan karon. So let's open it for Calla to try. Let's open this one.
Yep. It's
It's a
starting.
chocolate. Here.
Here, this is
Oh, you gonna try that one? How is it? Is it good? It's good. It's good. Say thumbs up. Show it to the camera. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up ang Doritos nga pizza. Pizzarolas. Ang tawag.
Okay.
So let's move on to this one.
Fingers.
This is chocolate.
Fingers.
Yeah, eat it. How is it? You like it? You like it?
No, try.
Yummy. Actually, marag sprinkles sa sulod. Nga white chocolate siya, so yeah. You don't wanna eat it anymore? No? Okay, let's put it back.
Okay.
Put it back. Okay. So you've tried. We're done with this one. Are we done? No? Just open this one.
It's so change.
Okay. So this one, next one is Welsh potato crisp. I think gikan din siya sa UK, no? Okay, crisp. And it's actually a potato chip. So let's open it. Are we gonna open this, Calla?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit down properly. Mahulog ka.
Okay. Two of those are kind of.
Okay, so let's open this one. Here. Grab. Kuha. So this one is the potato chips. No? You gonna try it? Yummy? Yummy?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Okay, show it to the camera. Thumbs up. Yeah. Yummy, yummy, right?
Yeah.
So cheddar and onion, medyo tamis-tamis nga medyo pagkaparat ng gamay. Pero yeah, mostly tamis din siya. Okay, it's cheese and onions. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
This one. I want.
Which one is next?
A good one.
This one?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Good.
Gold! Oh!
Okay.
Can you read this one? Gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says gold.
Goldie. Goldie.
So this one is sticky gold nga vanilla trilla. I don't know if unsa ni siya. I think it's chocolate bar gyapon ni siya. So let's open it. So it's a chocolate bar. No? You wanna take a bite of this one?
No.
Not yet? Okay,
Where's this one?
Just that one? Okay, finish that first. Finish that first. Yummy? Thumbs up? See, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, this one.
Wow, that's good. Try it.
Yeah, it's good. Wala, nakuha ang bite, uy! Nakuha kay bite, uy! Mga atak-atak good. It's okay, it's okay. Maglimpyo na tao niya. So how was it? It's good? You don't like it? This one is thumbs down?
No.
Thumbs down? Okay, but this thumbs up for me. Eh, medyo lami siya, vanilla flavor actually. Na siya medyo pagka-caramel, pero ang chocolate niya, di ra kay siya tamis. So, I think maybe di ka na sa kalyani, kadi kay tamis ang pagka-chocolate niya, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Naglibog na ka, no? Kadagan kay chocolate, no?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is first. We'll taste this one first.
Chocoyeyt.
Yeah, it's Chocoyeyt. Okay, so Twix Winter Spice nga chocolate. I don't know if it's spicy na eh. But here, Calla. Whoa! Try it. Is it tasty? Yummy? Yummy?
Try.
Try? It's tasty. So Twix Winter Spice, tamis siya, chocolate is caramel flows in chocolate. Actually, this is spicy. It's tamis siya. So this one is thumbs up. Show it to the camera. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah, this one is thumbs up. Okay, we have a few more left. Wanna pick one? This one? Okay, here.
Let's try.
Okay, so the Doritos, Pizzarolas. You gonna try? You gonna try it? Oh, you already have it. Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? You like it, Ala?
Yeah.
It's delicious. Okay, this one, of course, medyo more siya, may pagka-pizza flavor. Of course, there's cheese and para sa gamay. It's crunchy too. Okay, so we're done with this.
Racing.
Where's that one?
Racing it.
Uy, mga sanina man na. Di mo na pagkaon. That's not food.
Yep. It's from racing.
Okay, so which one, Calla? You wanna try? Which one? Ah, this one! This is a cupcake. So oven fresh cupcake. I think strawberry flavor ni siya. Na cupcake. So are you excited to open this one?
Yes, I just
Okay, let's open. Let's open this one. Okay, it's cupcake. Here. Here. Kuan. Mamakaw ni mga wrapper. Ay, kana ng wrapper, huy. Ano? Oh, here, eat. Is it yummy?
Sorry.
Katak-katak na siya.
Sorry.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, I'm tired. It's yummy.
So cupcake na strawberry flavor, oven fresh, medyo moist siya, no? And then there's strawberry flavor inside, strawberry filling. So it's good. So thumbs up kaya? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Thumbs up? Show the camera, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, thumbs down? You don't like it? You don't like it? Ah, joke ra di ay. Thumbs up di ay. Thumbs up di ay. Okay, so let's move on to the last one. Oh, no. Wait,
I got.
this one na. Mo dyan na iyang favorite. Okay, sige. So, Kit Kat Crunchy. Pinaka last one. Oh, look at this, Calla. You don't wanna eat this one?
Yummy.
Okay, din siya ganahan mo eat. So, ako na lang mupaa ka ni. So, Kit Kat. Good. Kit Kat kaya ang flavor, and then it's a big chunk of Kit Kat na dili siya pareha sa regular nga Kit Kat, you know? It's a big chunk of Kit Kat, so yeah, it's good. Thumbs up to para sa kuha. And you don't wanna try this? No? You just wanna eat that? Okay, that's yours. You can keep that, okay? Here, you can keep that. This one is your favorite? Okay, ang favorite ni Calla kay ang Sour Patch nga gummies. Okay, you wanna eat it more? Okay guys, so thank you guys paglantaw sa kuang video. No? And do you like eating these candies?
It's time in watching. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, thank you guys sa paglantaw sa akong video. Like, comment, and subscribe if wala pa mo nakasubscribe. And if di mo ganahan sa akong video, pwede mo hawa or mo leave og dislike. Pero og like nyo yung video, palayo kung kulata sa thumbs up button. So more na ako ang video. Calla, say bye-bye.
Here.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh.
Say peace. Peace. Yeah. Peace.